So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and then you want to expand software, and then you want to expand Microsoft, and then you want to scroll down and expand Windows script. Here is Windows script host. You want to expand Windows script host, and then you want to click on settings. And now all this will appear on the right side. You can follow all this by the way up here. So now once you're in here, you should have something that's called enabled. If you do not have it like me, I don't have it, then you want to right click on any blank space, and then click on new, and then click on dword 32-bit value. And you want to name this as enabled. Use the exact same capitals and spelling as I did, and then click on enter. And now once you have this right here, you want to double click on enabled. So you want to double click on this, and then make sure that the value data is on 1. Change the value data to 1, and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.